how to buy bear token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. So click on trade bear to XRP. Now after that, expand this window, and now the first ledger will be opened in new window, as you can see. Now what you need to do here, just connect your first ledger wallet first, and after that set here how much you want to buy of XRP, and you will be see here how much you will receive of that token. You will be receive 3000.53 of bear token. After that, make sure to read all of that information here, and after that, if you are ready to go now, just click on buy bear and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy bear token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.